you have to have dreams. Because if it doesn't start in your mind, then it cannot actually happen. So I'm so happy that we carried our thought, carried our dream, carried our imagination, and we are turning it into reality.
Yeah, definitely. We have accomplished a lot, we not lie.
It's like having a child and you see, you know, him growing and growing like all I've been carrying. It's just, oh my God.
Him gonna sleep?
No, sleep watch.
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Hey, team, I'm get man.
Oh.
She feed him like.
And then after that, now she start.
Tax me.
Tax him.
You see, she give him a mint ball.
Yeah.
She look back all the orange juice. See
Tenfold.
yes, nah, gonna look this. She don't want them next mint ball, I don't orange juice.
Yeah.
She give my orange juice. You have to buy anything the next time. Yeah, so she wrote. She don't want no.
Yeah.
You see me, she want to feel in control, but she full of style still. Yeah, man, great style and that. Bar see me.
How you think look, babe?
It looks great. But I'm going with himself, you know? So far, like, I'm come here now and it's like, you know, this place look, it'll look good. Yeah.
Let's see all the lintel I put in. Yeah. Some of them cars are ready. Them two over here, so.
Oh, this two though.
Yes, yeah.
We came the other day and it was boarding.
Last evening that.
Last evening, yeah. So him take it down and him even put like a top in it now. So you can see window there, babe.
Yeah, man. Yep.
The place is actually, it was farming out and look like a house. And you can see the visionary, you can see the size of the room. You can have your idea of what's happening now. Because I'm not a measurement person. Like, I know, yeah, we can do my calculation and my measurement, but I like to walk into the space.
If it's a 15 feet, you don't know what 15 feet look like, eh?
Yeah, it's like when you're walking into the room, it's more vivid.
Yeah.
And you can use your imagination a lot more. Yeah. So this is going to be the bathroom.
Yeah, one off.
Like the width of this bathroom, when the width of the bathroom you're putting on.
Yeah.
It's a good width this bathroom has. And I love the size of this room up here. So for some reason, that room up here is a lot bigger than this room down here. But Adrian said this room is bigger than
It's actually bigger, man. That one is actually bigger.
this one bigger.
Yeah, that one is bigger.
Yeah. But that one day when I walk into that room, I like the walking feel of that room. Yeah.
Yeah.
Over there. Walking from them and talk, you know? Yeah.
You never met our subscriber staying, you know, guys.
Oh yeah, no, I actually saw him.
You saw him?
Yes. We didn't have a formal conversation, but we did say hi.
Okay. When you gone? Gone?
He's sleeping.
Oh, not gone yet?
Yeah.
He gone?
No, he's
Yeah, hear him still. Oh, he probably a drive out now.
What are you doing this time?
Yeah, just a clean out the vehicle, man, is it?
Yeah.
You know, the car wash is very expensive. You know, for a long time, struggling with vacuum cleaners. I had one that was very, very big, and sometimes it just a pain to use it. So sometimes I just not bother wash the car myself, you know. But yeah, today, you know, I do it myself because I have a more convenient one, you know. Yeah.
So what's it?
Yeah, I'm sure now go on. Yeah, see it here? VacLife Vacuum.
Yeah.
Vacuum cleaner. It's very convenient, you know, just charge it and bring it, because the other one they have it big and bulky and then you have to stretch it long card and all them something there. That one you know, much easier for work with. It all have brush and thing where you can put in so you get to the hard to reach places. Yeah, man.
Guys, you can also use it on your sofas inside. Alright, so you want to clean out the sofa, perfect for that too. Also, you do what? You charge it before you use it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, man, guys, this is called the VacLife. You know, good price. The link will be in the description for it, guys. You know.
I have a question.
Yeah.
A very important question.
Yeah.
Why you have to start with the white car? Why you couldn't start? But I don't understand. Like why you couldn't do this car?
You have to put your dirty card up on the internet.
But my car is dirty. I needed to wash it. Guys, look at this. Him in the white car. Look on the white car. No, look. Look on the white car. Look on the purple car.
Guys, first and foremost, you know, we will get a car to clean shop. We go in it and clean out all the garbage.
Don't do that. Like I will have some garbage, but my trash is literally in a bag. Alright? So all you have to do is take out my trash bag. Okay, dude?
Alright.
So I'm gonna start up my car afterward. That's the deal.
Yeah, guys, so VacLife reach out to me, send me one of these. So I mean, if you're not interested, link will be in the description. Right, we definitely recommend it, guys. Very, very handy, very light, convenient. Yeah, man, the perfect thing. Yeah, so
Yeah.
we'll go and clean up the vehicle, them guys. So yeah, man, stay tuned.
So we are now looking on different aspects of our development. So we are looking at cupboards, flooring.
Yeah, true.
You know, we don't go colors yet, but we are looking on the
Internal fixtures,
internal
yeah,
fixtures. Yeah, finishing. So this is gonna be the kitchen right here. Let me go stand up in our kitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Like, so the cupboards, we need to figure out how we're gonna arrange the stove and the fridge.
You know, say, babe, the plan of the stove right there, so you know. Right under the window. But me think say the better the sink go there.
Yeah.
And the stove go right there, so.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. Because the window, you know, sometimes you have strong gushes of wind and stuff for it.
Yeah.
You don't want to be directly near the stove. And it's always a good thing when you're washing
Dishes,
washing your dishes, you can look outside. I like doing that.
Yeah.
You're looking outside and stuff like that. So
True.
I like the view from there. Where we going to put the island? We're going to put the island somewhere right here.
Right here, so. More up here, so.
More up here, so.
Right off here, so. Oh, come this way.
Right here?
Yeah.
Over this side?
Somewhere right there, so. You said the cover that come all the way around. And then the island come right here, so.
And then we're gonna have the stove. I actually love the idea of having the stove right here.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Me too. And the fridge over there, so.
Yeah. The idea of having the stove and having the fridge over it. Yeah. I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got all the way up. See that?
So after when them finish casting this, then they're gonna do a little BT or they're gonna put one more.
They want to do it, man. That they want to do. No, them not put no more black actually. No. Yeah. And me that thing say, guys, me not 100% know about construction, you know, but me that thing say the lintel would have been thinner, probably a few inches thinner. Then me I think say maybe they would put another row of block after the lintel, then them put another row of back up, but no, them just it cast all the way. It cast all the way up. Yeah. So them are reinforce the rest of the area them, you know? Yeah. So them just come and just pour concrete and them gone. That's it. Yeah. So have a telephone, Corey. We have a telephones.
Just put a 1 2 again.
Alright, I'm not that good at singing, but I'm trying. Alright. If I was a carpenter and you were my lady,
Lighter!
would you have my
Baby. You say, guys, you don't say every time Corey sing a tune in him, sing a tune all on him, you know.
Yes, that's more.
As I play a tune all on him sing, you know. Yeah. Yep.
What I say, this is small.
Yeah.
I love that big window over there that's gonna let in light. I like that every room has, their own bathroom as a good size, as their own window, and is located to the passage, so it was an easy flow through. I really like that.
True.
But I was just saying the other day I came up here and I was up here by myself. So and I was looking around and there's just this sense of wow, we did it.
Yeah.
Like I don't know if you guys can think back to our first video when we said groundbreaking and we're just showing you just dirt around here. How many of you could have imagined that so much could have been on this one little plot of land?
True.
Right?
True,
so
true.
your imagination is one of the biggest things that you could possibly do in life. Like you have to have a strong imagination. You have to have dreams. Because if it doesn't start in your mind, then it cannot actually happen. So I'm so happy that we carried our thoughts, carried our dream, carried our imagination, and we are turning it into reality.
Yeah, definitely.
Like this is a big feat. If you've ever like done construction or building, expanding, like seeing it come up from out of your head and seeing it come up from the ground, foundation, all the way
Come
up
right
to
up.
this and then to finishing, that's one wow though.
Because that's we're probably 40% way through right now.
A lot more work to be done.
But I mean, we have accomplished a lot. I'm not lie.
It's like having a child and you see, him growing and growing like all having Kyrie is just oh my god.
He gonna sleep?
No, sleep was Kyrie's
doesn't
down
sleep.
there playing with his grandma.
Okay.
Baby Jaden. His best time right now is when he's free playing on the floor doing whatever he wants. He's happy.
Yeah.
And right now that's what he's doing.
Yeah.
So I think he wants to sleep though, but Kyrie will fight that with all his might.
Yeah. Alright guys. So ultimately we are trying to achieve here. We are trying to achieve true financial independence. At the end of the day, you don't really have money until you make money even when you're not working. That's at the real point in time where you say yes. Things looking up. I just say financial independence is the ultimate aim, but of course, we now move ungrateful towards our jobs because
it has enabled us.
Yeah.
It was our mobilizers. It was what we used, to transport us to this point.
True. I mean...
And we still can't get rid of it.
Nah. I mean, there are persons who, they're born in a certain wealthy family where them not have to work,
True.
But if you're not right there, some people say, them more rich. But you can't just get up and just rich. You have to put in the work.
Being rich is a lot of work. I think that people don't realize that. Like, being rich is a lot of work. Having money is a lot of work. Because if you're going to make money, you can never sit down and look like this and make money.
Yep.
You have to actually do something that's going to generate capital.
Yep. And even before you're at the stage where you can do something to generate capital, you still have to have that start. You have to have that start. And the job where you have, you have to appreciate it and work at it, to the best of your ability.
I hope that one day in the close future we'll be able to say we have been able to achieve financial independence.
Yeah.
I want that.
Yeah.
I want that within this decade. Like if we can get that in the next 5 years, that will be such a dream. But
Yeah.
We don't know, like
because
you
honestly,
you have to dream. Without you having the vision in your head, then it's not going to happen. So we can dream and try and work towards it. No dream is impossible.
What I look for though is to scale this thing, make it, multiply the revenue what we get, out of it. That's important. And in any business, the first set of money that you'll be turning, a lot of that be eaten up by expenses, overhead expenses.
Yeah.
So when you can scale the business, of course, the first couple folds still be used for a lot of the day-to-day running, and then the exponent is like additional revenue or additional profits, So that are the key thing.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
What he said. Yeah. So I like it. So right here, so now we're gonna replace this window.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna close here and put the window on the other side. So this room here, somebody's in there now, guys. We can't go in and show you, but we're gonna rearrange the room, turn the bed the other direction, you know. So yeah, see the window there. And a room will be coming here, so we have to block this or move the window from here and put it here. So the AC have to go reposition.
This is what you're talking about.
Yeah. the wiring for the AC, you know?
That shouldn't be, it should be very high.
No.
But I did anticipate this in my...
But me have to go. The man them have to go. Let out gas. Change the wire, yeah. Yeah, change up the setting and then re-gas again, you know? So a little bit of expenses, but you know, we just have to do what we have to do, you know? Yeah, see it here, guys. See it here? Yeah, probably put it up there, so. Probably put it up, yeah. Because I don't like how the first guy did install the AC and put it down on the ground. I don't like that.
Yeah, I like
You should put it up. Because the AC them down our house, they're up high. Less dirt, less bugs.
Yeah.
You know, because right now, in it there, pure dirt and fine stone and them things, you know it. Yeah.
Wonder if we can move this up too. When I move this one.
So cost. So it just depends on if we're willing to pay to do it.
Yeah.
That's an installation cost.
Everything costs.
Yeah.
And all them little costs here add up to big money.
True.
What's dashing on me?
So yo, you trust Ever, man?
No, I'm not doing those stuff, nigga.
You trust him, man?
No, I loan him. But yeah, this is a laundry room. Wanna put in the clothes and I guess. You know what laundry for, right? Hang out clothes.
Well, hang on, wash. What does wash here?
Clothes in the laundry twin and just put the line as a bad dog and...
People wash and dry, they not hang out clothes.
Oh, so they make it bloat and those
Nah.
stuff.
Yeah, put a line outside.
This time only, man. I'm not getting that time. Bloat. Jamaica people bloat things. That's the word.
Yeah, it is hot. Yeah, man. So as I said, guys.
Sun is blazing.
I mean, so guys, we started by we get the first Airbnb apartment, you know, and you know we had our goals in mind, where you know we just kind of save the capital as best as we could, you know, flash it out and say, hey, money I make, you know, we just start spend it out.
And it's not like a 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So even though you may have, you know, a process that you have to go through, the process takes a very long time.
True.
It's very tedious. You have to put in the work.
True.
You have to stick to it. Because there was a time, remember, you know, I say, when we started our Airbnb, you know, COVID come in and us give
a year. I 1 year, we get a year run out of it.
Yeah.
But I mean,
so if you were, you have to make sure you say, you know, free-handed too much to cash, because if you're free-handed, we cash when a little thing
adversities
come up, like your business crash.
Yeah, because we did actually to shut down from like March to June last year. March, April, May, June. Like 3 months to shut down for last year, guys.
That's your
and March to May.
2019.
2019.
2020.
2019, you know? 2019. Oh. Yeah, 2019. We got married 2019 and I see him here.
No, we get married 2020.
Shit, okay. Guys, we get to hear them mix up, yeah. So at 2020, at 2020, so we're in 2022 years, so it's 2 years ago, yeah, we had to shut down for a couple of months. So the capital did come in before, but we never take it for granted, you know?
And then when we actually started back up, it was very slow. So
in a way, but we never have a lull for a long time though, to be honest, we never have a lull for a really long time.
And I think that's because of who we targeted. Our target, you know, guests. They always have business in Jamaica, whether it is to just come and see a family, just come and find back your sense of belonging. That's very important to people who live overseas, you know, just to be back in Jamaica. True.
You know? Especially after COVID lockdown, whole heap of adversities, whole heap of uncertainty. So people just wanted to just
get out,
come back home, you know? Yeah. So the thing said, Ever them run there enjoy themselves.
You know, and ever start work, ever want it done quick. Ever don't like the long thing.
Nah.
Like when you work fast. Sometimes claims them you're a superman. That's the thing.
So all of this are gonna get case up. Yeah, all of this are case up right there, so and then they just throw in the concrete. Yeah.
Make it look nice, man.
Yeah.
So you can go up on roof. If I love when I drop off a roof, you know, so I never wear a water boot.
Yeah, man, I do that for you, man. So if you want to cock up and spit,
What kind of cock up you talk about?
yeah, that you doing, you say cock up.
I split me there, I split, you know. You know, see, I true it can't go no further, but me have to go stay that way. That me I tell you past I'm a long time.
You never tell me. I watch now what you can say.
Nah, it's a bounty, you know. I'm bounty, I have to know him. I don't want to say. I'm going to tell you for the living.
Hey guys. Oh, babe.
Me!
Go on, look, babe, yeah. So guys.
Take your time, see that you draw this. Oh, this is not ready, push it back.
Yeah, it does pre-eating. So guys, see your bag of fries.
Freeze.
Fries on the counter. Freeze as
And we
Jaden
got
says.
some chicken nuggets.
It's not chicken nuggets, it's chicken bites. It's different from chicken nuggets.
What make it different? Up on.
So chicken nuggets is processed chicken. So the chicken goes through some amount of processing. But these are actual chicken that they coated. So it's just the chicken that they put in small pieces and they put the bread coating over it.
Oh, so okay, we get you.
Yeah.
So chicken nuggets is like ground chicken.
Yeah, ground chicken.
Okay, cool.
Well, this is actually chicken pieces, chicken bits. Anyways, enough of that. People were there and we are watching Russian Ukraine
Invasion.
saga. I'm show you over there, so I watch. So we're actually, this is what we're looking at the moment. Hey guys,
I fixed my headphone.
you fixed
Last
it?
You
night
broke
I
it.
broke it.
You broke it last night?
Give
At
me a
least
new
you
one,
gave
I'll
it
get
a,
new one.
at least he got a good run because
How long you had? About 2
Jaden
years?
have it for a year, 1 year.
When-
Almost
when
a
you had it
year.
For your birthday?
His birthday. Yeah.
Last birthday? Oh, almost 1 year. Yeah,
Almost
bad.
a year.
Yeah.
So he went almost a year with that headphone, guys.
But it's
Eh.
still working.
Jaden, it's give him like a big hooray for that. Hooray!
Hooray.
Yes, because trust me, guys, you don't know the challenge. But he's doing better. He is doing better. He's doing a lot better, as a matter of fact. So, big up to Jaden.
You know, guys, I'm a bicycle for 2 years now.
Mm-hmm.
Or 3. I think it's 3.
Almost 2 years. So guys, we're there, you know, we're hang out. We're actually we're keeping up with current events. So let me show you what we're watching. This is the world we're living in right now.
They call it special military Russia special military operation.
All out
Yeah.
war against another nation. Children dying. They're basically in one day. Oh babe, the fries. The fries. And I'm making fries too. Guys, look here. Look who they got. Look who they got.
Yeah.
Look who's here.
It's just in time for the fries and chicken.
It's in time for the fries and chicken. I don't think he's gonna eat the chicken. I think Kyrie's kind of a little vegan kind of thing going on with him.
You guys,
You can give him some of your lunch.
a little seamstress lady, you know. She makes some cute cushions and bandana stuff and all kind of nice stuff, you know. So she sent
Guys,
cushions
I love those cushions.
for Kyrie and Jaden.
Guys, I love those cushions. They're pretty and comfortable.
Yeah, they're nice.
I
They're nice.
I think what Jaden likes the most is that his name is on it. That's who
Yo,
Jaden.
show them.
So this is Jaden.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is Jaden.
Yeah.
And now Kyrie has his.
Yes.
Kyrie, spell your name.
K.
Spell your name.
Say
Kyrie
K.
just got off from his nap. So not really too in a day, you know?
Yeah.
Him
So
soon get
the
vocal.
Instagram for who don't want to reach out, guys, I will put in an Instagram link in the description.
So she does a lot of other products that you can definitely, and of course, as you see, you can customize your stuff.
Yeah.
You can customize your stuff right here.
Custom.
Kyrie, spell the name. Spell the name. Okay, you're not going to eat the name from Bulina. Come. K-Y-R-I-E. Kyrie.
Yep.
Kyrie. Come to mommy. Come to
Go to
mommy.
mommy? You want to go to
Come.
mommy?
Come to mommy.
Go. You want to go?
Come on.
Kyrie just waking up. Right now, him little bit outside. Yeah. Hello. The guys will watch a presentation from the Russian ambassador to the UN. So they actually take control a couple of the nuclear plants, you know, nuclear power plants and stuff like that. So, why be creative things are going on in the world, you know, guys. Be creative things. Hello, Kyrie. Hello, Kyrie. What's up? Say hi. Say hello to the vlog. Kyrie. Say hello. Guys, look at this little man. Kyrie.
He's looking at his brother outside on the bicycle.
Jaden gonna ride bike.
Kai. You know what Kyrie likes to do too?
Yeah.
Kyrie likes to go on Jaden's scooter.
Sure. Yeah.
You get all excited. What's him? Jump. You know when you start walking, it's gonna be so excited. Am I eating little fries?
Yeah, man. Yep.
Carry over here eating sausage.
As a result of a nuclear disaster of this scale,
Carry eat up sausage, man.
happened locally. All previous accidents with nuclear
Oh,
power plants, including Chernobyl and the Fukushima nuclear power plants,